Hefei Hima Information Technology Co., Limited is a manufacturer specializing in audio guides for 12 years. Its Yingmi brand product series is committed to creating safe and efficient experience and service standards. Over the past 12 years, the company has won wide recognition and trust from the market with its excellent product quality and good reputation. Hima Mile Tours has provided tour guide services to many scenic spots, museums, enterprises, and institutions. And it is exported to many regions around the world all year round, received unanimous praise from customers. Miles of guided tours make the explanation more appealing. The vision of the Grey Horse people is to be a global tour guide, create a common future.